Okay, we are now at PCP, Putrajaya Challenge Park. This park have a lot jump features, so it's a bike park. Actually, I always ride here once or twice in a week because of I want to practice jumping. This is a very good place for practice the jump skill. A lot newbie, when they start riding a mountain bike, they will come here also because here have some trail, very good for the beginner also. But because this is a jump park, right? So they have a lot jump features. So actually got one of the jump, the features is very dangerous one. So the most dangerous jump features at PCP. Let me show you. Is it this one? Nope. Is it this one? Nah. This one? Not dangerous enough. Yeah, should be this one. Jump, flip. But no. This one. Very high. No. Then should be this one. Black trail. Ooh. See the angle? The receiver is very far. But not this one also. Not dangerous enough. Because not everybody here. Even I think the regular PCP rider, they even don't know this jump. Nobody know, especially newbie. Have a drop? No, it's the black trail. The drop until the step up. So dangerous, but not dangerous enough. Should be this one. Very high. Jump until here. But you see, nobody jump anymore because everybody know this is very dangerous. So actually I talk about is this one. Yes, this one very small jump. From the wrist 16 down to the pondot, this one. Most of the people, if they try to jump before they learn the skill, they will fall at this area. Why this is the most dangerous jump at PCP? Because everybody come PCP will be go there. Not everybody lah. Most of the people, most of the riders come here will be rest as there or here. Then they will see everybody jumping here. Poo, see many pro jump until they whip everything, many things. When they see, wow, everybody also can jump, like very easy. So they will feel, oh, it's very easy only. You see, everybody also can jump. So they will try. Yeah, they're coming. Whoa, wow. Very easy. See, very easy only. If he never learned any basic skill for jump, and he very big balls come down very fast, then 98% he will fall. Or off saddle, then pedal strike. I was here so long time, and not so long time, quite a long time. Every time I see people fall, also they're here. So pedal strike, scorpion. Last few weeks, last time I have a scorpion. Then he break his nose. So because this jump is look so easy, and everybody will see that. For beginners, XC riders or enduro riders or what riders, MTB, mountain bikers, when you come here, please be careful here. Don't because this is small, then you look down this, you will regret. So you see, very easy. It's because of you feel it's very easy, then they will become a very dangerous place. You see, all the way from the top, when you roll down, the speed is very fast. Then this is high, that area is low. So when you go up, this angle is if you go down very fast, then this angle will be lead you go up, then you're landing there. But so if you are pro, you're very fast, then you jump, you clear to there, then it's okay. But if you landing here, this is flat, that is going down. If you're landing here, the impact will be very, very, very big. If you are newbie, you are off-saddle, so pedal strike. So everything will happen. If you ask the regular rider here, the most of the crash at the PCP is this area. I can show you the video. Tim ambil video. Lepas tu ambil gambar. Hope everybody's safe, right? And my name is Ming Hui. If you like my video and you like my contents, talk about my mountain bike experience, you can subscribe my channel and click the bell and press the like. Thank you so much.